অবশেষে স্বস্তি। আইএসএল এর বল গড়াচ্ছে। শনিবার থেকে শুরু হয়ে যাচ্ছে এই মরশুমের ইন্ডিয়ান সুপার লিগ। প্রথম দিনই মাঠে নামছে চ্যাম্পিয়ন মোহনবাগান, প্রতিপক্ষ কেরালা ব্লাস্টার্স। প্রথম ম্যাচে মাঠে নামার আগে আত্মবিশ্বাস ও উত্তেজনায় টকবক করে ফুটছে সবুজ বেলুন শিবির। কোচ লোবেরার সদম্ভ ঘোষণা, এবারে হয়তো চ্যাম্পিয়ন হতে চলেছে মোহনবাগান। লোবেরা বলেন, তারা পুরোপুরি তৈরি। ফুটবলাররা জানে আমি কি চাইছি। প্রত্যেকেই নতুন চ্যালেঞ্জ নিতে ঝাঁপাতে তৈরি। মোহনবাগান কোচ আরও জানিয়ে দেন, তিনি তার নিজের দর্শনেই এগোতে চান। নিজেরা যে ফেভারিট একথা জানিয়েও লোবেরা কিন্তু সতর্ক, ভুল যে হতে পারে যে কোনো সময়ই। অতীত নয়, বর্তমান নিয়েই ভাবতে চান লোবেরা। পাশাপাশি এবার অনুশীলনে নিজেকে দারুণভাবে ফিরে পেয়েছেন দিমিত্রি পেট্রাতোস। মাঠে নামার আগে তিনি উত্তেজিত, জানিয়ে দিলেন পেশাদার ফুটবলার হিসেবে সবকিছুর সঙ্গেই মানিয়ে নিতে চান। কোচ যেভাবে ব্যবহার করবেন সেভাবেই নিজের সেরাটা উজাড় করে দিতে চান দিমি। সব মিলিয়ে মঞ্চ প্রস্তুত। চ্যাম্পিয়নরা কিভাবে শুরু করে সেটা দেখার জন্যই মুখিয়ে আছে সবুজ মেরুন জনতা। সে কারণেই তো টিকিট পাওয়ার জন্য লম্বা লাইন।
As I told you before, we are very excited. No? Finally, we know we have a short season compared with other seasons. We know perfectly the margin of mistakes is less than another competitions. But this is a exciting for us. No? Finally, we are playing at home. We need to make happy our people. We want the people coming to the stadium enjoy watching play with us. And I think tomorrow is the first opportunity for us. No? Is a very good opportunity to show to everyone we are looking for this competition. And then we get the first goal result, because finally we know perfectly the margin of mistakes and errors this season will be less compared to the previous ones. Yes, I have listened a lot of times. We have advantage, we have favorites, and on the paper there are a lot of favorites and a lot of things we can put on the paper. But basically, it's football. Finally, we need to prove this on the pitch. Before we were favorites, we have advantage. I think also we are very good team and very good favorites. But finally, we need to prove this on the pitch. No? If we have advantage in this way, you are asking for me, is because the club did very well the teams in a professional way, keeping the squad, keeping the training sessions, and the club alone to do it. I think if we have this advantage, it's because our club had the tools to do it compared with another opponents. No? That means we are in a very big club, big club, and I'm very happy with the way the club decided to continue working, even the difficulties, even the doubts about Indian football. And if this situation gives us advantage, it's because the club did the things very well.
Of course, there's a new coach that's come in, and he's given a lot of belief in myself and all the players in the team. Everything has been positive, and exciting football is to come, I believe. We go out there and give our best every day at training to be ready for the game. And yeah, for your question, if the starting 11, the coach has said this, we have an amazing squad, amazing players, and one thing that we have been successful in is the players are all together on the same page, giving our best. It doesn't matter who starts, every player is important. So when you get your time, even if the players that don't get their time, they're supporting the team. This is a very important environment that we have done before, and the coaches also come in and push this to be going forward all the time. Look, every year is different. This is part of life, and you have to take the good and the bad together. It's a very important part of life, and you just have to always move forward. Whatever was last year, the year before, is in the past, and you just have to focus on now, be better every day, and keep moving forward.